In this video, I will show you how to convert text to speech using Filmora. Using this feature, you can make videos without using your own voice. First thing you have to do is download Filmora, go to the website and click on Free Download. Once the download completes, open it and click on Install. It will install the Filmora software. Open Filmora and import a video file. Now drag and drop the video to the timeline. Now click on Titles and click Subtitles. Now choose any one of the subtitle. I'm choosing this style. Double click on it and delete one of the subtitle. Just type out whatever you want in this space. So I'm going to type, in this tutorial, I will show you how to make Windows 11 faster. So this is the text I want to convert to speech. Click on OK and then right click on that file, subtitle 2, and then click on text to speech. Here you can choose multiple languages. You have German, Italian, French, Russian, a lot of languages available. And you have the voice as well. Double click on it and you can hear what type of voice it is.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
I'm going to choose Bob voice in this one, as it feels like the most natural voice. In the parameter settings, you can adjust the speed. I'm going to keep it in normal, and pitch also I'm going to leave it in normal. Then click on OK. Now the processing will start and transcription will be created. There is a character limit for the free version of Filmora. So this version, the free version is having around 5,000 character limits.
In this tutorial I will show you how to make Windows 11 faster.
As you can see, the text is completely converted into speech. Using this feature, you can make tutorials or any other video. I will add a couple of more text and make a proper tutorial. So I'm going to add one more subtitle and I'm going to type out the next step in this tutorial. So I'll be typing on Open Task Manager and then click on Startups. So this is the next step I want to convert to speech. So I'll add one more text. In this I will type, right click on any unnecessary programs and then click Disable. You can club multiple text and convert to speech. Select all of the text and then right click on it and then click Text to Speech. I'll be changing the settings this time. The speed will be reduced a little bit to see how it is. So each text will start processing and the audio will be added right below the text. See, both of the text is converted. Now let's play it.
Open Task Manager and then click on Startups. Right-click on the unnecessary programs and click on Disable.
As you can see, the text-to-speech works really well and it makes it really easy to create videos for YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos like these, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.